That's your brother right there. Hey, what's up, fam? I heard you was going around telling the people that the Bible been fulfilled and Christ is not ready to return. Shalom, bro. Well, hey, that ain't me. That's what the Bible say. Hey, that ain't my Bible, fam. If you say it is in the Bible, prove it. Man, you know when I say something, I always have that word on me. Luke 21, 20 through 21. And when you see Jerusalem compassed with armies, then know that the desolation thereof is nigh. Then let them which are in Judea flee to the mountains, and let them which are in the midst of it depart out, and let not them that are in the countries enter thereinto. Verse 22. For these be the days of vengeance, that all things which are written may be fulfilled. All things written may be fulfilled. You tweaking. That's not what it means. If that happened, Christ came back when Rome was destroying Jerusalem. When somebody wrote it down, why come it ain't recorded in history? If that's what it means, you twisting scriptures. Yeah, the actual event is actually written in history. Josephus, War of the Jews, Book 6, Chapter 5, Section 3. I'm going to start at lines 297. A certain prodigious and incredible phenomenon appeared. I suppose the account of it would seem to be a fable were it not related by those that saw it, and were not the events that follow it so considerable a nature as to deserve such signals. For before sunsetting, chariots and troop of soldiers in their armor were seen running about among the clouds. So they saw angels riding on clouds, running about in armor in the sky and surrounding cities. Does that not sound like Christ coming back with the angels? That's recorded in history, dealing with the Roman army. I gotta study this Bible, man.